Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use rank formula in Excel. Many a time situation comes when you want to assign rank to the different persons like this as to what position this person secures. In this video we will learn how to use rank formula. For regular update, subscribe to CSLB Singh YouTube channel. So you have to put equal to, then you will type rank and then you will open the bracket and then you will choose the cell which you want to rank and then you will put the comma. Then you have to choose the range. So I will choose the range from this to this, that is from C5 to C11. Then you will close the bracket. So this range C5 to C11 has to be fixed because it will not change. So I will use function and F4 key. So you can also use this, or you can simply put $sign in front of column and rows, or you can just press enter. So this is the rank, and then I will copy this and will paste in the remaining cells. So in this you can see that the corresponding this C6 column has been changed, but the range is fixed. So in this way you can easily calculate the rank in Excel. Hoping that you clearly understood this formula. If you still have any question, you can comment below this video. Please like and share this video.